How to move a double wall oven with an Airsled LiftCart. This 30-inch double wall oven weighs nearly 270 pounds and can be difficult to move during servicing. To reduce weight and for safety purposes, remove the oven doors first as recommended by the oven's manufacturer. Vent trim around the oven's exhaust was also removed to prevent damage. For this application, where mobility is required, the LiftCart's 4 non-marring swivel casters were installed. When connecting the LiftCart's wires, always ensure they run completely under the frame to prevent them from getting pulled or pinched during operation. To begin the move, carefully pull the oven out slightly. Raise the LiftCart's top until it makes contact with the oven's base. Push the LiftCart forward so that its top is tight with the cabinet. Once the LiftCart is at proper height, pull the oven out so that it rests on the LiftCart's top. The Airsled LiftCart is designed to give you omnidirectional range of motion and let you raise or lower objects from about 11 to 32 inches off the ground when the caster wheels are installed. To install, ensure the oven's base is in line with the supporting cabinetry or framing, and carefully push the oven into place. Learn more at www.airsled.com.